A Russian-made missile killed two people in Poland on Tuesday amid the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war. Warsaw put its military on heightened readiness in a potentially major escalation of the war in Ukraine. The missile reportedly killed two people in the village of Prevodor, but there is no conclusive evidence of who fired it. Moscow's ambassador has been summoned to provide immediate detailed explanations. The attack on Poland ignited concerns that Ukraine conflict could spill over its borders. The statement released by the Polish Foreign Ministry said that the rocket fell on Tuesday at 3:40 p.m. on Prevodor, a village in eastern Poland about 6 kilometers from the border with Ukraine, and is the most detailed statement released so far. A resident who declined to be identified said the two victims were men who were near the weighing area of a grain facility. Warsaw put its military on heightened alert after an emergency National Security Council meeting. US President Joe Biden spoke over the phone with his Polish counterpart Andrzej Duda, offering full support for and assistance with Poland's investigation, the White House said. Biden also spoke with NATO Chief Jens Stoltenberg about the blast in Poland, as Poland is protected by NATO's commitment to collective defense. A NATO official said that the alliance was closely coordinating with Poland. The incident drew widespread condemnation, with European Union Chief Charles Michel saying that he was shocked, and French President Emmanuel Macron calling for talks at the G20 summit underway in Indonesia. Russia pounded cities across Ukraine with missiles on Tuesday in attacks that Kyiv said were the heaviest wave of missile attacks in nearly 9 months of war. Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky said that Russian missiles hit Poland in a significant escalation of the conflict. He did not provide evidence. Russia's defense ministry, however, denied that Russian missiles hit Polish territory, describing reports as a deliberate provocation aimed at escalating the situation.